Welcome to another video. Now we are going to see how to make a multi-vendor e-commerce website like Amazon and AliExpress. Welcome to this video guide. So the video is subdivided into 5 parts. 5 major parts. There are other sub-parts, but there are the 5 major parts. These are the 5 major parts we're going to look into throughout the duration of this video. So the first part is launch your website. Choose your domain name and web host. So we're going to use a Nigerian web host for this. Head over to Google and type Niger web host. You can use any good web host of your choice, but we're using a Nigerian web host for this video. So when it opens, click Get Started Now. You can see the features of the web host. There is a free SSL certificate. That's very important for an e-commerce website. So scroll down, we are going to choose the basic plan. Click Order Now. It will take you to this page. Click Register a new domain. So first of all we are going to change the extension. You can choose to use .com. But here, we are using a different domain extension. We are using .com.ng. Check to see whether the domain name is available. It says congratulations, the domain name is available. Click Continue. Continue the process. Then change the duration of your hosting plan to 1 year. You can use 1 month or 6 months plan. Click Continue. Then, click Checkout to head over to Payment. Enter your billing address, phone number, and your details. Then generate the password. And click Complete Order. Then it will redirect you to where you can make payment. Here, you can make payment with your card, through your bank, over the counter, transfer or USSD. But here we are using transfer. When you click it, an account number will display. So using this account number you can transfer, using your bank app to the designated account number. So when you finish the process of the transfer, click I have sent the money. So Paystack we now verify receipt of the money. This will take a few seconds. So the receipt of the transfer has been confirmed. Payment is successful. So now we can head over to the client area of your web host dashboard. This is it, but we will be using another pattern to continue. So head over to the email sent to you. Open the new hosting account information that your web host sent to your email. Click on it. Then you will see your cPanel details. Log in with the details of your cPanel. Username and password, copy it. Head over to cPanel login page. Paste your username and password and click Login. Now, we are now in the cPanel. Scroll down. We are scrolling down to Softaculous Apps Installer. Click on it. And click on the CMS, WordPress. Click Install. It will take you to the part where you would install the WordPress CMS. First of all, you have to enter the details of your site name and site description. Then add username for your WordPress website. Then admin password. You can change it later on. WordPress. User account. And click Install to install WordPress. The installation is ongoing. Then you can see, there are two links there. One of the link would take you to the front page of the website. The other that will take you to the WordPress admin dashboard. So we are going to open both to see how they look. So this is the WordPress dashboard, where you can customize and work on your site. WordPress dashboard. So this is the front page of the site after the installation with the WordPress theme. So the part 2 now is start creating your e-commerce website. So now, at your domain name, add WP admin. It will take you the WordPress login page, enter your username and password. Then it will take you to dashboard. WordPress dashboard. Click on appearance, click themes. Click on add new. Enter the word Astra. When it comes up, click on install. The installation process is ongoing. Wait a few seconds, then click activate. It will take you to the next part, click on it on the theme. Then click on Astra options. So click on Install Importation Plugin. So it will take you to this part. So we are going to select an e-commerce theme. So, there are premium themes and free themes. So we are using a free theme here. So we opt for this fashion designer theme. And click Import Complete Sites. While here, you can indicate your level of expertise, or ignore it. You click Next, then skip this part of it. The importation process is ongoing. You can use other WordPress themes, but we are using Astra for this video guide. The import is complete. Then click View Sites. So this is the site we just imported now. It's a complete site. This is how it looks after the importation. So, we head over to the WordPress dashboard. Just a second for it to open up. Now it has opened. Click on Ecommerce, click on Settings. Commence entering your details. Enter the address of your store. Enter the city where your store is based. And country. Also, change the currency to your country's currency. And click Save Changes. So the part of the video is to set up payment gateway here on the store. So now, again type in WP admin extension to your domain. It will take you to where you will enter the WordPress login details, where you would enter your login particulars as the admin of the site. So enter your username and password. Click Login. Click Plugin, and add new plugin. Then type in Paystack in the search directory. Then the plugin will come up. Click Install now for the plugin. And click Activate after the installation is complete. Then head over to Ecommerce, click Settings. Then activate the toggle for the Paystack payment gateway. Then click Save Changes. Then click Manage on the right-hand side of the Paystack gateway. It will take you to this part. Then head over to paystack.com. If you don't have an account on Paystack, you can create one for free. Then when you are done with creating your account, click Login. If you have an account. And then log into your dashboard. This is the dashboard. Paystack dashboard for those that have an account. Click on Settings. So under Settings, head over to API keys and webhooks. This is where you will get the necessary keys for your payment gateway. So there is a live secret key and a live public key. And also, test secret key and test public key. So, we are going to use one of them. So click and copy the first test secret key. Head back to your WordPress dashboard. And paste it on the test secret key column of the WordPress dashboard. Go back to the Paystack dashboard. Copy test public key. Head over to your site's WordPress dashboard, paste the test public key. Then select the payment option, pop-up. We have selected pop-up here. Then click and choose. Click Save Changes. Proceed and disable test mode. Just unclick the test mode. Test mode it will take you to. If you change the keys to live secret keys and live public key, you can go back to your Paystack dashboard and copy the live keys. And copy it, use it and paste them in columns and save changes. That's when you are switching to live mode. So we continue the process. Go back to the WordPress dashboard. Click on Products, All Products. Now we're going to remove all the products that came with the theme that we imported, so that you and the vendor, the owner of the site, and the vendor can upload new products. So we're going to remove the products that came with the theme we imported to the site. So the removal here is complete. All the default products have been moved to trash. So we continue to the next step. So the next part here is to turn your site to a multivendor e-commerce website. So now on your dashboard, click Plugin, Add New. On your WordPress dashboard, type in Docken in the directory. When the plugin comes up, click Install. Click Activate for the plugin. So it will take you here, click Let's Go. So here, you don't need to add anything here. Everything here is in order. Just click Continue. Here you can see the admin owner commission is 10%. For the column, commission is in percentage. Then change the order status. The vendor can change order status. Click on it and click Continue. Here change the withdrawal method. We are going to change the withdrawal method from PayPal to bank account and bank transfer. The minimum withdrawal limit, remove it, put it at 0. Then, we can continue. Then head over to the dashboard. On WordPress admin dashboard. So you can see now the doc and vendor dashboard is empty. No sales yet, no commission and no vendor has signed up. Initially, so head over. Still to the next step. The next sub-step. So continue, go back to your Ecommerce, click settings. So we head over to this part. Now click accounts and privacy. We are going to enable this, so that would be visitors to your website that want to be vendors can register. So click and enable. Allow customers create an account on my account page. My website. Then click save changes. So the next sub-step, how a seller register to sell and gets approval as a vendor on your website. So click my account. This is how a vendor gets to register on your website now. Click my account. And click I am a vendor. So the vendor enters his email address. The password, first name, last name and shop name. The shop URL link will be auto-generated. It will be on the vendor page. Enter your phone number and click register. So it will take you to this section. Click let's go. So this is the email that will be sent to the owner of the website that somebody has registered as a vendor. That is, a vendor has registered. So click let's go. So this is the setup of the vendor's store. The first step here is to enter the address of the store. Next is the city of location. Zip code, then country of location. And thereafter you add the state. The city is located. Then click continue. The next step is the set the payment setup. Enter your bank name. Next step is your bank account number. The name of the bank. Address of your bank. The next step is the routing number. You can get this routing number from your bank. You can get this routing number from your bank branch. From your bank. Any of your bank branch. Every branch has that designated routing number. So add it and then click continue. From there you head over to your dashboard as a vendor. You will see a message that says your account is not enabled for selling. Please contact the admin. The admin. Now, the admin of the site will get an email of the new vendor. So we're going to see how the email looks. So this is the email. So you click on it, click here to activate. This is to get the vendor full access to the site. So this is the method of enabling the vendor to fully be a seller on your website. First of all, you enable the seller to add products. Next is to enable publish product directly for the vendor. Then update the user. This is the new vendor now. So this is one of the method of enabling a vendor to start selling on your website. There is another method. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, click on Docken, click Vendors. So on the left right corner, you see the vendor that just registered. Click on the dashboard, so enable it. So this vendor has now been enabled to sell on your site. So the next step is how a vendor adds product and start selling on your multi-vendor site. So we head over. So a new vendor now. We head over to the account section of the website. Click My Account. So this time around, having registered earlier as a vendor. Now enter your username and password. Then log in. So this is the vendor's dashboard. Now fully enabled with that notification no longer showing. Having been enabled to sell. So you add click product. No product here yet, so we are going to add one. So add product. This is the section to add the product. We are going to add the image first. So select the necessary image file from your PC folder. Add the product image. Then, enter a name for the product. Then the price. There is the discount price and the regular price. So we enter both the regular price and the discount price. Then we select a category for the product. Then we add a short description for the product. And click Create Products. It will take you to this section. Just to see a review of the product we just added. If there are other information, you can add to it. Then click Save Product. The product has fully been added. Click View Product. This is the product on the site. That has been added by the vendor now. So the admin now would get an email of the product that has been added. This admin email contains the info of the product just added by the vendor. So, we are going to continue by exploring how the order process works. How a vendor request for a withdrawal after an order is completed. So we are going to continue. So now this is. So, we are going to head over to the store of the website now. This is for a customer that wants to purchase a product. We are acting as a customer now. So we click this particular product that the vendor earlier added. Click to add to cart. Click View Cart. Then proceed now to check out. So the billing details are already there. First name, last name, everything is already there. So we just proceed to place order. So it will take us to where we can effect the payment. Choose a payment method. The payment is successful. So these are the details of the payment with the vendor store info. They are all conspicuous alongside the order details. Details of this customer. So an email will be sent to the customer. This is the email that the customer would receive. Of the order with the vendor details there. Name of the product and the billing address of the customer. This is what the customer will get as an email. There is another, second email. This is the email the vendor would receive of the order process from the customer. And the order details of this particular customer. The vendor will receive this email of the order made by the customer. So the vendor will now head over to his store dashboard. Click Orders. This is on the pretext that the order has been completed and delivered to the customer. The order would now change from processing to completed after the particular order has been sent to the customer. The vendor will now click Now Complete. This is from the vendor's dashboard. Click Switch from processing to completed. The order now will switch from processing to completed. This will now trigger another chain of events. An email would be sent to the customer that the order has been completed. So the message reads, "We have finished processing your order," meaning the order has been completed. This is on the premise that the customer has received the order or it's on its way and completed. There's a second email that will come forth. This time to the vendor that the order is complete. So the message reads, "We have received complete order from Ock and Anthony." This is the email the vendor will receive. That the order has been completed. The site admin will send this email to the vendor about the completed order. So this chain of events now will trigger another set of events for the vendor and the admin. The vendor will now head over again to his or her dashboard to request for a withdrawal from the site admin. So we head over to this part of the vendor's dashboard to request for withdrawal. Click Withdraw. So type in the amount to withdraw. And click on Submit Request. With this submission of the request, the prompt of receipt of the request, the site admin will get an email of the request. So we are going to head over to the email. Now, the admin of the site will receive an email such as this of a new withdrawal request from the named vendor. So the site admin will now click on the link on the email. You can approve from that link on this dashboard. So it will take you to this part of the site controlled by the admin dashboard where you can approve the said withdrawal request from the vendor. Click the arrow to approve request. Click to approve it. Now with this, the vendor will now receive an email stating that your withdrawal request has been approved and that it will be transferred to your account shortly. So, this is email that the vendor will get of the approval of the request. So this is vendor's dashboard. We are going to continue. So then we click Docken. You can see the dashboard that was previously empty, but now has details showing the 10% commission site admin owner has earned, as well as the number of sales, product created and number of vendors on the site. Next stage is how to remove a vendor from your multivendor site. So, head over to your WordPress dashboard, click on Docken. Click on Vendors. Then disable the toggle. By disabling it, the vendor or vendors will be removed from your multivendor site, and every product they uploaded and details about the vendor will cease to appear on your multivendor site. So we head over to the website store. You will see that the product that we initially uploaded under the vendor that will just disabled is no longer on the site store. So you can see that the product is no longer there, since we have disabled this particular vendor from selling on the website. That vendor's product will cease to appear on the website. So we continue with the process. Exploring a vendor's store is the next. We are going to see how a vendor can customize its store. So again, we head over to the account of the vendor. Log in with the account details. So this is a dashboard of a vendor. This is how it looks ordinarily. The details of the vendor's store are all on display here. When a vendor logs in, this is first thing that they will see in the dashboard. This is the details of all they will see. So we click on Products. You can see details of the product that was previously added to the website. The details of the uploaded product is shown here. Then click Orders. You can see the vendor's product that was ordered. Further click Order to get more details. You can see an elaborate details of the order. The order name. The date for the order, when it was processed and completed. Status of the order and earnings from the order. The customer email. Customer phone number. Customer IP, and there are order notes such as saying the payment method by which the order was made, and the billing address of a customer. So when you click Withdraw, you will see details of the withdrawal made and the current balance left on the vendor's account when you click Approved Request. You can see the request of the 3,000 withdrawal request made earlier. So we head over to the settings of the vendors. Store dashboard. Under settings, the vendor can upload a banner to his storefront page. Then upload a photo profile picture. Other details of this store are already there, like name of store, product per page, address, city of location, postcode, state and country, phone number. So here, you can add opening and closing time for the store. Just click and edit the time for each day of the week. That is the closing and opening time for each day that the store is available for physical and online business. So when done, we click Update Settings. So the information has been saved successfully. So, we head over and click Payment Now. Under the same vendor's dashboard. So you can see the payment settings for the vendor. You can edit it should you choose to. The information previously entered when the store was set up can be edited. Visit store. So this is how a vendor's store looks. Though, this is without a banner and the profile picture. You see the opening days of the store, and closing time for the vendor's store, and the product added and contact details of the vendor in question. So we head over to the dashboard. This is, click Edit Account. So this is where the vendor can edit its account. Details earlier entered. Because it may be edited via the dashboard. So that's basically it on exploring a vendor's store and dashboard. So we are going to explore settings from the admin owner. WordPress dashboard. This is for the website admin. That is the owner. So head over to your WordPress dashboard. Click on Docken. And click Settings. So this is the general part of the admin area. This is how it looks. You can edit the details. The page settings. Then how the appearance of the stores is. You can enable Google Map for the vendor stores. Google Map to appear in the vendor store. As the admin you can opt to do that. Then you can change the default appearance structure of how a vendor store will appear to customers and outsiders that explore the store. There is the privacy policy. You can edit it and add more details after you are done with it. Once again, this is how the general settings looks. So that is basically it for this part of exploring the dock and multivendor settings from your WordPress dashboard. We are going to head over to the last step. The last part, which is to link your multivendor stores to WhatsApp. So head over to plugin on your dashboard, click Add New. Click Upload Login. Select the plugin from PC folder. Click Install Now. This is a premium plugin. Click Activate Plugin. It will take you to the plugin section of your WordPress dashboard. Then you will see the WooCommerce order on WhatsApp for Docken. Then click WhatsApp on the left side panel of your WordPress dashboard. It take you to this section. You enter the message you want to appear on WhatsApp. You can enter this message. We are sticking with the custom message that came with the plugin. I have a question about this product. So we enter it. Now, after that, click Save Changes. After this is done, we are going to see how this plugin works. So, we head over to the store. When a customer, that is a would-be customer, make an order from the vendor's online store, we are going to see how the plugin works. So choose any product. Click Order on WhatsApp. Note that the phone number that the vendor used to register on the multivendor site needs to be WhatsApp enabled for this to work. So, the customer will now send an order on WhatsApp directly to the vendor's WhatsApp. Now click on Open WhatsApp. And this is for WhatsApp on PC. The default version on mobile would be different. It will take a customer straight to WhatsApp. You may not have to go through this process. So the message will be sent. As well the link for the product being ordered. This will also be sent alongside the message to the vendor. So that's it basically. So it has been a long watch. Please do subscribe. So thank you for keeping up to the end of the video. I hope it has been a rewarding watch. So thank you for watching.